If you're looking for a self-propelling wheelchair that you can use in the shower, if you're looking for a commode too, it's really multiple pieces of adaptive equipment all in one. I would definitely recommend this. It was extremely easy to put together. The instructions were very easy to read. First thing you got to do, when you go ahead and move this side, you're going to see the hole line up. Once it lines up, go ahead and put this right through, just like that. And then give it a push. It'll click right in place. You'll do the same thing on the other side, and then just give it a push. Then you're locked in place. Next, we're going to put the backrest on the frame here. We know that this is the back of the chair because this is where the brakes are. The brakes are on the front. So you're going to want to just put this on so that the handles are facing forward. This is going to slide right in here. Then we're just going to screw these in right here. Okay, now that we have our frame all set, we're going to flip this upside down. And then we're going to install our front wheels. The front wheels do have some cellophane on here, so we can go ahead and just peel this right off. What is recommended is definitely lock the wheel in place, and then you can go ahead, put it in. If it's not locked with the brake, you're going to see it's just going to spin. So you need to lock this in place by pressing down, and then go ahead and just give it a turn, and it'll go right in place. But it's super easy to turn. There's not a lot of resistance to this. No tools needed. Then it's on, unlock it, and we've got both our front wheels on. We're gonna install our 22-inch wheel right here. This black rim is gonna be on the outside of the chair or on the outside of the frame. And then you can go ahead and align it. Put this right here, and then to insert it, you're gonna press down on this black knob, and that will allow you to push it all the way through. Then go ahead and give it a push. Now you're locked in place. To take the wheel off, you'll give this a push, and then lift up, and then you're out. Now we can go ahead and take the chair, flip it up, and we're just going to put the foot pedals on. The foot pedals just pop right in place. These are like any other standard wheelchair pedals. So this is going to go on this side because you have more space towards the middle, and the foot's going to rest right here, and then turn it to lock it. Same thing for this foot plate. You're going to put this in at an angle on the side. If you try to put it in this way, it's not going to get through this black piece, and that's a good safety tool because this is actually what locks this on the side. So put it on the side, put it in, turn it, and then it's locked. To unlock it, you have to press this lever, turn, and then lift. Now we're just going to put the seat on. The seat has these clips here, so this is just going to connect right to the frame. So you're going to line this up. This is going to be the back side of the chair. This is going to be the front right here. And then you're just going to press down. And it doesn't take a lot of force at all. When you do go to put the clips on, just make sure you have enough space right here on the back, just like this, so that way it's flush right on top. Last but not least, you can either put the remainder part of the seat right on if you wanted to. I like to keep it up just so I can see what I'm doing. But all you're going to do next is just slide the bucket right in. And then you can pull it in and out as you want to. You don't necessarily have to keep this in there if you don't want to, but it does have a lid that you can take on and off. Now, when you go to use the wheelchair, I always recommend not having the feet on or having the feet in the way so you don't trip. Then you can go ahead, sit down, put your feet on, and you're good to go. Now, this also has some straps here, so you can use a seatbelt strap as well. Just make sure it's around the frame. Go ahead and give it a click, and then you're good to go. Now you're securely in the chair. And if you're giving someone a shower or if you're taking a shower, this won't get in the way and you're at less of a risk of falling out. Not only is it a self-propelling wheelchair, arms come up and down on this because that's going to make it so much easier for transferring. Let's say you need to get to the bed, or let's say you need to get to a car or the vehicle. This makes it so much easier. Or you could use a slide board if you needed to go ahead and get out that way too as well. This chair can be used on both gravel, it can be used on concrete, it can be used on rugs too as well. If you're self-propelling with this, I would almost say keep these off. You can use both your feet and your arms too if you'd like, or you could just use your arms if you wanted to just use your arms to self-propel around. Now, if you're using the wheelchair and you're concerned about doorways, you want to make sure that the doorways are about 25 inches or wider. This wheelchair fits easily through a standard door frame right here. You can see that you've got ample space. I've got about 1.5 inches on both sides right here to get through without having to worry about the wheelchair getting stuck on either side of the door, and or you don't even have to remove the door to get through because you still have that ample space to get through. Once you're inside the bathroom, you can then go ahead and use the toilet, transfer right over, and then come right back when you're done. Now, let's say you just want to use it as a shower chair. You can go ahead, take your walker, and then you're ready to take your shower and do everything that you need to. This wheelchair also comes with a shower hook, so that way you can put a long-handled shower hose right in here, and then put the other side anywhere on the chair, and it will just connect. And then this will stay right there, so you can take your shower, do your thing, and put this down if you need to. And then when you're ready, you can take this out and put it right back. When you're ready to come out of the shower, lift this up, and then you're ready to go. This is a perfect chair that you can use at your home, in the bathroom, in the shower, pretty much anywhere that you need to use a self-propelling wheelchair. So I would definitely say, take a look at this.